Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the estimation strategies. There are 4 estimation strategies, and they are reformulation, compensation, translation, and rounding up or rounding down. Let's look at reformulation first. In reformulation, there are 3 types of reformulation. We have rounding off, clustering, and compatible values. Maybe I discuss it one by one with you. Rounding off, 四捨五入, you should be familiar with it. For example, we need to find out the value. We can do it by rounding off to the nearest integer first. So what we get will be 3, and 3 is an estimated value, which is an approximated value, and the approximate value is not the exact value. Another example, by using rounding off to the nearest 100, what we get is 1200. I'm sure that you understand what is the meaning of rounding off. Another one is clustering. For example, we need to find an estimated value of this question. And we find that these 5 numbers are close to 80. They are close to 80. Okay, so we can do the estimation like this by using clustering, and done. The answer should be very close to 400. Another example. Okay, this time we find that those 4 numbers are close to 200. So when we find out that if the numbers are very close to a value, okay, the same value, close to the same value, then we can use clustering as the estimation strategy. So what we get is 800. Oh, the last one is compatible values. This will be a little bit complicated. For example, we need to do the estimation to find out the value of this question. What should we do? In fact, 0.66 is close to the fraction 2/3. So we may use 2/3 instead of 0.66. And 1194, which is very close to 1200, and we would like to choose 1200 as the compatible number because it is compatible with the denominator 3. And we can get the answer easily by using compatible values in this case. Another example, something like this. We need to find out the compatible values of these 2 numbers. And it should be 306. Because you can get the answer easily by using cancellation. Okay, these two examples shows you how to use compatible values to find out the estimated value. The second one is compensation. Is it complicated? Maybe I highlight the key points of compensation. The main point for compensation is more accurate. You would like to have a more accurate value. Usually, if we do a question like this, we can do approximation like this. But it is not accurate enough. It's too rough. Okay? Compensation means more accurate. I would like to have more accurate value. So we will consider a little bit more. Okay, consider this number 473. If we included this part, okay, 473 is close to 500. Okay, so we add something more. Okay, add 500 times 8. So that the answer we get should be closer, much closer to our exact value. And we call this compensation. Okay, remember, always write down the strategies after you use it. Okay. And third method is, third strategy is translation. Okay. What is the meaning of translation? I'm sure that you understand because you may use it very commonly in primary school. Translation means we order the question in order to get answer easier, or something like this. We can do 81 divided by 9 first. Okay, we arrange the order. We do the division part first. Okay, and then times 50. Okay, in this case, if I change the order of operation, then what we use is translation. You should do it very often in primary school. Okay, this is another example. A similar case, we can do the division part first. Okay, this is the estimation strategy we use, okay, which is called translation. Okay, remember, always mark down the strategy you used in the question. Okay, well, the last one is rounding up or rounding down. Maybe I use this one as an example. When we use rounding up, okay, for example, rounding up to the nearest 10, rounding up to the nearest 10, that means each number we will choose a greater number, okay, which is rounding up to nearest 10 in this case. So 22, when rounding up, we will get 30. 69, when rounding up, we will get 70. 43, when we rounding up, we will get 50. Okay, etc. Okay, this is rounding up. How about rounding down? Okay, use the same question. When we rounding down to the nearest 10, okay, what we get would be this. 22 becomes 20. 69 becomes 60. 43 becomes 40, etc. Okay, in this video, I'm sure that you will understand what the 4 estimation strategies we have come across in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.